Imagine witnessing one of the most powerful events in the universe. Two ultra-dense stars colliding in a place no one expected. That's exactly what a fleet of NASA telescopes may have just discovered. Astronomers believe they have detected a collision between two neutron stars, but not in a large galaxy like we usually see. Instead, this incredible event happened inside a tiny, faint galaxy hidden within a massive stream of gas. What makes this so exciting is that scientists have never observed a cosmic explosion like this in such an unusual environment before, and it could help solve two major mysteries of the universe. So what exactly are neutron stars? They are the incredible dense core left behind after a massive star runs out of fuel, collapses, and explodes in a supernova. Even though they are only about 20 km across, they can contain more mass than our Sun. That means just a small amount of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. These objects are truly among the most extreme in cosmos. In recent years, astronomers have observed neutron star mergers inside large and medium-sized galaxies. But this new discovery changes everything. It suggests that these powerful collisions can also occur in much smaller, almost hidden galaxies. The event known as GRB 230906A was found in a tiny galaxy embedded within a massive gas stream stretching around 6 lakh light years. This is an enormous structure, far larger than most galaxies, and it's likely the result of ancient galactic collisions. This unusual location could help answer two long-standing cosmic puzzles. First, scientists have detected gamma rays burst extremely powerful flashes of energy that appear to come from nowhere, with no visible galaxy nearby. This discovery suggests those bursts might actually originate from faint, hard-to-detect galaxies like this one. The second mystery involves heavy elements like gold and platinum. These elements are formed during neutron-star collisions, but astronomers found them in stars located far from galaxy centers. These new findings could explain how those elements were distributed across vast regions of space. Interestingly, scientists believe this event is the result of collision within a collision. Hundreds of millions of years ago, galaxies likely collided, creating this huge stream of gas. That collision triggered star formation, eventually leading to the birth of neutron stars, which then collided to create this powerful explosion. To confirm and study this event, astronomers used multiple powerful space telescopes. These included the Chandra X-ray Observatory, the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory, and the Hubble Space Telescope. It all started when Fermi detected a gamma ray burst, the first signal of the collision. Then, using a network of spacecraft, astronomers narrowed down its location. Finally, with the precision of the Chandra and the sensitivity of Hubble, they were able to pinpoint the exact source of a tiny, faint galaxy that would otherwise gone unnoticed. This discovery highlights the power of teamwork in space science. No single telescope could have done this alone, but by combining their strengths, scientists uncovered something entirely new. And who knows, this might just be the key to unlocking mysteries that have puzzled astronomers for decades.